Welcome to our ultimate guide to Marbella, Spain, a sun-soaked paradise on the Costa del Sol. Whether you're planning a trip or just daydreaming about one, we've got you covered with everything you need to know: what to see, where to stay, and how to make the most of your visit. And hey, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and guides. Nestled between the Sierra Blanca Mountains and the Mediterranean Sea, Marbella offers a unique blend of natural beauty, rich history, and modern luxury. It's a place where traditional Andalusian charm meets upscale living, making it a must-visit destination for travelers of all kinds. Let's dive into the heart of Marbella, the Old Town, or Casco Antiguo. This charming area is a far cry from the glitz and glamour Marbella is often known for, and instead offers a glimpse into the city's rich Andalusian heritage. Picture this: cobblestone streets so quaint you'll want to ditch your phone's map and just get delightfully lost. The buildings are a gleaming white, their walls adorned with colorful pots spilling over with vibrant bougainvillea. It's the kind of place where every turn feels like stepping into a postcard. At the center of it all is Plaza de los Naranjos, aptly named Orange Square. This picturesque plaza, shaded by fragrant orange trees, is the perfect spot to sit back and soak up the atmosphere. Order a café con leche or a chilled glass of sangria from one of the many open-air cafes and let the gentle hum of life in Marbella wash over you. This square is not only a hub of activity, but also home to historical treasures like the Renaissance-style Town Hall and the Chapel of Santiago, the oldest religious building in Marbella. As you wander further, you'll find quaint boutiques selling handmade crafts, leather goods, and unique souvenirs. Pop into local shops for artisanal olive oils, wines, or ceramics that make perfect keepsakes. The Old Town's charm lies in its ability to transport you to a simpler time, offering an authentic slice of Marbella's soul that's not to be missed. Marbella is synonymous with gorgeous beaches, and with 27 kilometers of coastline, it offers something for every type of beach lover. If you're looking for a lively, bustling atmosphere, Playa de la Fontanilla is a great choice. Located just a short walk from the city center, this beach is one of the most popular in Marbella, thanks to its golden sands, calm waters, and proximity to plenty of restaurants and bars. You can grab a sun lounger, sip on a cold drink, and enjoy the vibrant energy of the crowd around you. For those who prefer a more relaxed vibe, Cabo Pino Beach is a must-visit. Situated on the eastern edge of Marbella, this hidden gem is less crowded and offers a tranquil escape. Its soft sands and clear, shallow waters make it an excellent spot for families with kids or anyone seeking a peaceful day by the sea. Close by, you'll find the picturesque Puerto de Cabo Pino, a small marina with charming restaurants perfect for a meal after a beach day. Adventurous spirits might be drawn to Artola Beach, also known as Playa de las Dunas. This beach is famous for its stunning natural dunes, part of the Dunas de Artola Nature Reserve. It's a protected area, so you can enjoy unspoiled beauty here. Artola Beach also happens to be one of the few nudist beaches in Marbella, so if you're feeling bold, this is your spot. No matter your style, Marbella's beaches promise sunshine, soft sands, and the calming sound of waves. Take a leisurely walk along the Paseo Maritimo, Marbella's coastal promenade. This scenic pathway stretches along the shoreline, offering stunning sea views and a plethora of cafes and restaurants. It's the perfect spot for a morning jog, an afternoon stroll, or an evening tapas crawl. Puerto Banús is where Marbella truly flaunts its glamorous side, and it's a must-see destination for anyone visiting the area. This luxurious marina, located just a short drive west of Marbella's town center, is a playground for the rich and famous, offering a tantalizing glimpse into the world of high-end living. Even if you're not planning to splurge on designer goods or charter a yacht, the energy of Puerto Banús is infectious and worth experiencing. Picture this: rows of multi-million-dollar yachts gleaming under the Andalusian sun, their owners sipping champagne on deck, while the sound of soft waves laps against the harbor. The streets surrounding the marina are lined with upscale boutiques like Louis Vuitton, Gucci, and Dolce & Gabbana, making it a haven for fashion lovers. If luxury shopping isn't your thing, window shopping in Puerto Banús is a spectacle in itself. There's no shortage of jaw-dropping displays. The culinary scene here is equally dazzling, with waterfront restaurants serving everything from fresh seafood to hot cuisine. Imagine dining al fresco with a view of the harbor, savoring a plate of paella paired with a crisp glass of local white wine. In the evenings, Puerto Banús transforms into a hub of nightlife, with exclusive clubs and bars that cater to partygoers seeking a vibrant, upscale experience. But it's not all glitz and glamour. Puerto Banús also offers prime people-watching opportunities. From celebrities to stylish locals, the marina is the perfect spot to relax with a drink and soak up the unique atmosphere. Even a simple stroll along the harbor is enough to make you feel like you've stepped into a lifestyle magazine. Art enthusiasts should visit the Avenida del Mar, a pedestrian walkway featuring a collection of Salvador Dalí sculptures. For a deeper dive into contemporary art, the Raleigh Museum showcases works by Latin American and European artists. Marbella is a golfer's dream, boasting numerous world-class courses. The Marbella Club Golf Resort offers stunning views and challenging fairways. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, there's a course to suit your skill level. Foodies rejoice! Marbella's culinary scene is a delightful mix of traditional Andalusian flavors and international cuisine. Don't leave without trying pescado frito, a local favorite of fried fish. For a more upscale dining experience, the city is home to several Michelin-starred restaurants that promise to tantalize your taste buds. From luxury brands in Puerto Banús to charming boutiques in the Old Town, Marbella offers a diverse shopping experience. La Cañada Shopping Center is the largest in the area, featuring a wide range of stores, cinema, and various dining options. When it comes to where to stay in Marbella, the options are as diverse as the city itself, catering to every traveler's taste and budget. The Marbella Club Hotel is a standout choice for those seeking a luxurious escape. This iconic hotel, originally a private residence for Prince Alfonso von Hohenlohe, offers a mix of timeless elegance and modern amenities. With its lush gardens, beachfront location, and world-class spa, it's the epitome of sophistication and indulgence. Equally opulent is the Puente Romano Beach Resort, a haven for luxury seekers with its Michelin-starred restaurants, tennis club, and exclusive vibe. If you're looking for something more boutique and intimate, Marbella's Old Town is brimming with charming guest houses and smaller hotels. Properties like La Villa Marbella blend the warmth of Andalusian architecture with personalized service, making it a perfect choice for couples or solo travelers wanting a cozy yet stylish retreat. Staying in the Old Town also immerses you in Marbella's historic heart, with its cobbled streets and lively squares just steps away. For families or those traveling in groups, there's no shortage of holiday rentals and villas. From modern beachfront apartments to traditional Andalusian-style homes with private pools, renting a property can offer privacy and convenience. Budget-conscious travelers will also find options in Marbella, including well-maintained hostels and affordable hotels. Many are located near the city center or along bus routes, ensuring you're well connected to the city's main attractions without overspending. Whatever your preference, Marbella's accommodations promise comfort, style, and proximity to the best the city has to offer. When visiting Marbella, it's essential to consider the time of year. The summer can be pretty hot and crowded, so if you prefer a more relaxed atmosphere, consider visiting in the shoulder seasons of May or September. Getting around is easy, with taxis and buses readily available. However, renting a car can provide more flexibility, especially if you plan to explore the surrounding areas. Marbella is a destination that truly has it all: stunning beaches, rich history, vibrant culture, and a touch of luxury. Whether you're here to relax, explore, or indulge, this coastal gem promises an unforgettable experience. If you enjoyed this guide and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel content. Safe travels, and see you in Marbella.